Good morning, students. Today we are doing subject verb agreement. What does subject verb agreement mean? It means verb must agree with the subject in number, that is singular or plural number, and person, that is first person I, we, second person you, third person he, she, it, they, Ram, Sita. It means that when the subject is singular, the verb used is singular. The child has gone. The child, singular subject. The verb, singular, has. When the subject is plural, the verb used is plural. All the children have gone. So the verb is plural. Now, the rules that we need to consider, or we need to learn, or we need to memorize while we are doing our writing skills, these rules are going to help us a lot. The first, when two or more singular subjects are connected together by and, usually take a plural verb. Ram and Shyam are friends. Ram, third person singular. Shyam, third person singular. Two subjects connected with the conjunction and. So the verb used is plural are. Divya, Soumya and Nirja are engineers. Divya, Soumya, Nirja, third person singular, connected with conjunction and. So the verb used is plural verb are. If two subjects or two singular nouns connected by and express one idea, the verb is singular. Agent's experience brings wisdom. Age, one subject, experience, second subject. Both are connected with conjunction and, but express one idea, brings wisdom. So the verb used is singular, brings. That is, wisdom comes not only with age but with experience also. Bread and butter is his usual breakfast. Bread, one subject, butter, second subject, connected with conjunction and. Bread and butter, wholesome food. The verb used is singular, so the idea is one, bread and butter, wholesome food. So the verb used is singular, that is. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady, one idea, that is consistent efforts, practice. The verb used is singular, wins. If two nouns joined by and refer to the same person or thing, the verb is singular. The great scholar and poet is dead. The great scholar, one person, and poet. Is poet another person? No, it is the same person. Connected by conjunction and. So the verb used is singular. The orator and statesman was dead. The orator, statement refers to the same person. They connected with conjunction and. The verb used is singular, was. When the nouns refer to the same person, the article is used only once. That is, the great scholar and poet. Article the used in is once. But if two different persons are referred to, the article is used twice before both subjects and the verb is plural. The scholar and the poet are dead. So here the subjects are two, the people are two, the scholar, the poet are two different people. So the article is used with both the subjects. They are connected with conjunction and. So the verb used is plural are. The orator and the statements, two subjects, two different people connected with conjunction and. The verb used is plural are. Each, every, either, neither and many are followed by a verb singular. That is, either of these boys is to blame. So when each, every, either, neither is coming, they are followed by a singular verb. If two subjects are joined by or, nor, either or, neither nor, and not only but also, the verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. That is, the verb agrees with the subject that comes latter, that comes last. Neither he nor his father was there. So, neither nor, two subjects, he, his father. The verb used is was. The verb is used in agreement to the subject, his father. Not only he, but also his parents have gone to Nainital. Not only, but also, the two subject used is he, his parents. The verb used is have. This verb is used in agreement to the subject, his parents. That is, the verb comes in accordance to the latter subject. He or his friends are to be blamed. He, first subject, his parents, his friends, second subject. The verb used is are. Are is in agreement with his friends. If the given nouns look like plurals, they end with s, but they are in fact singular nouns, then we use singular verbs. Now, what nouns are there that look like plurals but are singular? That is news, physics, mathematics, measles, ethics. Now you can see these nouns take s with them, but then they are not plural, they are singular in sense. So they will always take singular verb. Economics is my favorite subject. Now economics is not many subjects. Economics is one subject. So the verb used is singular verb. Politics is a dirty game. Politics, though it takes a plural s, but the sense is singular, so the verb used is singular is. A collective noun takes a singular verb when the collection is thought of as one whole. The mob has dispersed, so the mob is a collective noun. The mob here is in the sense of one, so the verb would be singular has. The committee is resolved upon this reform. The committee, collective noun. The committee, one whole, one unit. The verb used is singular, that is. But it takes a plural verb when the stress is on the individual members of the group. The committee were divided on the issue. So the collective noun, the committee, will take a plural verb were when the stress is on the group of members of the group. That is, were divided on the issue. That is, the individual members of the group were divided. The team of players are having their bath. So the team is a collective noun. The team of players, that is individuals, are, that is a plural verb. When two subjects are joined by as well as, with, in addition to, not, or together with, the verb agrees with the number and person of the subject that stands first. So when these are used, then we need to make sure, we need to memorize, we need to retain things in our mind, that with, as well as, with, in addition to, not, together with, the verb will always agree with the subject that comes first. My parents as well as I were unhappy. My parents, first subject. I, second subject. Connection, connected as well as. What is the verb used? The verb is used as plural, that is my parents, in accordance with the subject that comes first. He, with his servants, was arrested yesterday. He, first subject. His servants, second subject, was arrested. So the verb used is singular, that is third person singular, subject is he. So the verb used is was. We'll continue in my next video.